my friends. Welcome to Bunny Tales. Today we're going to learn about the long O sound and how to use the magic E to turn the short O, ah, into a long O. Let's get started by finding all the vowels in the alphabet. Are you ready?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Good job! The vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. The rest of the letters are consonants. Vowels are letters that have two sounds. A vowel can have a short sound, and a vowel can have a long sound. When a vowel has a long sound, it says its name. Short O, ah. Long O. What happens to the letter O when we add the magic E? Let's find out. Short O, ah, magic E makes the O sound. It makes the O sound. Let's see how this works. Read this word with me. Hop, hop, hop. What's going to happen if I add a magic E? Hope, hope. Now the word is hope. What do you hope to be in the future? Let's read this word. Cod, cod. What's going to happen when I add the magic E? The cod will turn into code, code. It's a computer code. Let's read this word. Rod, rod. What will happen when I add the magic E? It will turn into road, road. The boy rode the horse. Let's read this word. Rob, rob. What will happen when I add the magic E? It will turn into robe, robe. It's a bathrobe. Let's read some words that have a long O sound. Bone, bone. Home, home. Cone, cone. Rope, rope. Rose, rose. Note, globe, globe. Let's practice reading these words one more time. Bone, bone. Home, home. Cone, cone. Rope, rope. Rose, rose. Note, note. I hope you enjoyed learning about the long O. Please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the like button so I can make more fun videos. Thank you.